Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Adobe's Generative Fill AI to edit your photos without downloading or using Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get started. To use the Adobe Generative Fill AI feature, you can easily visit the Adobe Firefly AI page and click the Generate button in the Generative Fill section. Now, click Upload Image to upload your photo. Let's try using this Generative Fill AI to change the image background. To do that, click the Background button to remove the current background, then describe what you want to generate in the prompt input. Click Generate to start. Adobe Firefly AI will provide you with 4 options. To save your image, click the Download button in the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with the results, click the More button to generate new options. To finish your current edit, click the Keep button or click the Cancel button to create a new prompt. Now, let's edit an object in the photo. In this tutorial, we will change the hot pants to a white skirt. To do that, click the Remove button on the left side, and click the Settings button to adjust the brush size. Now, remove the object from the image. After that, click the Insert button and type your prompt for this generative fill command. Now, let's add a new object to the photo using Adobe's Generative Fill AI. Click the Remove button and select the brush size from the Settings menu. Remove some areas in the photo, making sure the shape matches the object you want to add. In this example, I want to add an alien head on the wall, so I will create an oval area. Click Insert to open the prompt menu and type your prompt. Click Generate to start adding the new object to your photo. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye bye.